Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's tutorial is going to be on how to make a Chanel inspired shirt design using Design Space and uploaded images. So let's get started. I'm going to go to upload image, click on the browse button. I'm going to go into my files and locate the Chanel design that I want to upload. I choose it. As you guys can see here, it's already uploaded in transparent, so I really don't need to do anything here, but I'm going to hit complex. I'm going to push continue. I'm going to zoom out so that you guys can see the entire frame of the Chanel design. And again, it's already transparent, so I don't need to click on the select and erase the background or the eraser to do any fine tuning. I'm going to push continue. Now you have two options. You have the cut and print option, or you have the save and print option. So I'm going to save my image here on the right side, and I'm going to tag it with whatever name. I'm just going to keep it the way it is, and I'm going to save it. Once my image has been saved, I'm going to click on that same image and I'm going to insert it into my design space. I'm going to zoom out because it's already highlighted at its maximum size. So I want to bring it down to make sure that it prints right. Now the color that I'm going to do this in is a glitter blue color to put on my daughter's shirt. She has a old shirt and I just want to do something decorative to it, so I'm going to, and I had some old material left over, so I'm just going to insert this blue color onto my design, and I'm going to go to advanced to try to get it to the color that I have on her shirt. It's kind of a deep glitter blue. Once I have that, I'm going to zoom in to actually see my size at 100%. And I am going to bring it maybe to a size 7. Once I have done that, you'll see that this has a cut print, meaning that it's ready to cut. You don't have to worry about anything else. So now I'm going to hit make. I'm going to bring it out so you guys can see it. I always like to adjust my size to save as much of my vinyl or paper that I'm using to print out my heat transfer paper. And I'm going to mirror it so that when it prints out and when I take it off of the paper, that when I put it on my shirt, it'll automatically be the right size, like looking at me the right way. So yeah, the next thing is to push continue. I've already printed out the shirt. I'm going to show you guys the after product. But once you print it out here, it'll go to your Cricut maker and it'll start at telling you the things that needs to happen next. Thank you guys for tuning in to my YouTube channel, and you all have an awesome